Good morning, students. We are going to learn some objectives from applications of definite integration. Now, just we overlook points in this topic. First, this area under the curve. There are two types area under the curve. First type is, suppose this is a given curve y is equal to f of x, given curve or given function y is equal to f of x, and area of this curve under the this curve x equal to a to x equal to b. x equal to a पासून x equal to b पर्यंत या कर्वच्या अंडर असणारा एरिया आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा असेल तर बाय युजिंग डिफाइनाइट इंटिग्रेशन, दॅट इज x equal to a to x equal to b, it is y f of x. Then formula is area, this area is equal to, this area is equal to a to b y dx. Right, that is right, given function y in terms of x only, right, y in terms of x, then we get y dx. Y means just f of x dx. Integration from a to b. This is first type. If suppose this is the area x equal to f of, this is the given curve x equal to f of y, that is x in terms of y, then area of this curve, area under the curve from y is equal to c to y is equal to d is, that is this is bounded with y axis ला तो बाउंड असणार, this is bounded on x axis ला bounded c to d, that is x equal to f of y. Then area, same area is given by a is equal to c to d x dy. म्हणजे जर y in terms of x known असेल आणि x axis वरची आपल्याला रिजन फ्रॉम a to b known असेल तर this a to b y dx. तसंच y axis ला बाउंड असेल तर राइट x in terms of y. Then formula becomes limits are, that is y varies from c to d x dy. This is just only area under the curve, area under the single curve, एका कर्वच्या अंडर असणारा area, that is the formulas. Now next point of this topic is area between the curve, area between two given curve. Now type 3 is this, suppose y is equal to f1x, that is this upper curve, y is equal to f2x, that is this lower curve. Now we have to find area between these two curve. या दोघांच्या मधला एरिया आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे. That is point of intersection of this curve we have to find. Just we solve these two equations, we get point of intersections. Therefore x coordinate of this point is a, here x coordinate of this point is b. That is we use the formula, then a is equal to, from a to b, write these two curve y in terms of x, y in terms of x. Then upper is y is equal to f1x, lower is y is equal to f2x. From a to b, how to find a and b? That is point of intersections of these two curve and find out x coordinates of this, x coordinate of that points. A is equal to a to b, y upper minus y lower dx, y upper minus y lower dx. That is area between the curves. पूर्ण एरिया आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करते, एरिया बिटवीन दी कर्व्स. दिस इज व्हाट एरिया अंडर दी कर्व फ्रॉम a to b and x axis असा आहे तो. नेक्स्ट सेम कर्व बट इट इज on y axis आपल्याला known असेल तर, that is just y coordinates are known, then what, this is first x equal to f1y, second x equal to f2y, y is equal to c to d. Then area is equal to y is equal to c to d, x upper, write the upper curve x in terms of y, lower curve x in terms of y, then x upper minus x lower dy. These two are again same, these two are again same. Here just we want x coordinates, here we want y coordinates, and here we want x in terms of y. In this side we want y in terms of x. Then formula becomes a to b, y upper minus y lower dx. Second is a is equal to c to d, x upper minus x lower, here with respect to y, here with respect to x. Therefore there are only two types, area under the curve, single curve असेल तर, आणि area bounded by two curves, two or more curves, that is the different question. This is for area between the curve and these two are the area under the curve. याच्यामध्ये with respect to x आहे, with respect to y आहे, दोन्ही साइडला आपल्याला घेता येईल. इकडे with respect to x, with respect to y, जे सुटेबल आहे ते आपल्याला यूज करता येईल. Now first example, the area of the region bounded by parabola y square is equal to 16x and its lattice rectum. Now this is y square is equal to 16x. Therefore I write y square is equal to 16x compare with y square is equal to 4x. We get 4 is equal to 16, a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. That is lattice rectum of this parabola is x equal to a is the lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. X equal to a. Therefore x equal to 4 is the lattice rectum. We have to find area of this parabola and this lattice rectum. That is, I write this, check. This is y square is equal to 16x and lattice rectum x equal to 4. X equal to 4. This is lattice rectum x equal to 4, suppose. X equal to 4. We have to find area of the region bounded by parabola. Parabola and this lattice rectum. This is the region. This is the region, and again it is symmetry. Therefore, below it is again same. Below it is again same. That is, this and this are same. That is 2 times. Therefore, we know that formula: area under the curve is equal to integration from this point as a 0, this point as a, it is x equal to 4. Therefore, this point as a 4 0 to 4 y dx 0 to 4 y dx. Y for this, write this in terms of y is equal to what? Square root 4 root x 4 root x. Now its integration is 4 as it is. X means x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Its integration is this. Limits 0 4. This is reverse 4 into 2 by 3, and inside it is 4 raised to 3 by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit 0 neglected. 4 into 2 by 3. 4 raised to 3 by 2 means 4 and a half. That is 4 into 2. This is 4 4 16 and 2 32 64 by 3. This is what area, upper area. This part is 64 by 2. It is double 2 times. Therefore 2 times. Required area is just double of this. Therefore required area is equal to 2 times 64 by 3. That is 128 by 3 square units. 128 by 3. This is symmetrical. तो हा आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल. याचा डबल एंडला जाऊन डबल करता येईल किंवा स्टार्टिंगला लिहिलं तरी चालतं. नेक्स्ट, द एरिया ऑफ द रीजन बाउंडेड बाय x square is equal to 4y, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, and the y axis lying in the first quadrant. Find the area in first quadrant. First quadrant वाला area विचारला है. Where this is parabola x square is equal to 4y. X square is equal to 4y. X square is equal to 4y. Upward direction ला open होणार. This is x square is equal to 4y. Then y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. These are the two lines. Suppose here as a 1, here as a 4. Y is equal to 1 line, this. Y is equal to 4 line, this. This is y is equal to 4 line. This is y is equal to 1 line. Then find the area in first quadrant and y axis. This y axis. Y is equal to 4 line, x, then parabola, and y is equal to 1 line. This area, this is the required area. This is we have to calculate. That is, this is bounded on y axis. Therefore, from this point to this point, I write area is equal to integration c to d x dy. This is the parabola. Its equation is x square is equal to 4y. Now I write from this point to this point. Here this point is always on this. Y is equal to 1 to 4. That is integration a is equal to 1 to 4 x dy. X means what? Square root 4y. That is square root 4 to root y. dy. Then 2 out, root y raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Then upper minus lower 1 4. Reverse it is 4 by 3. This 3 by 2 reverse 2 by 3 and this 2 4 by 3. Upper, that is 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. 1 raised to 3 by 2 it is 1. 4 raised to 3 by 2 it is 8. 4 by 3, then 4 raised to 3 by 2, 4 and root 4, that is 8. Minus 1, 7. 7 4, 28 by 3. 28 by 3. That is B option. B option. हा y axis ला बाउंड आहे त्यामुळे आपल्याला कसा कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल. y axis ला बाउंड आहे त्यामुळे y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 4 and then write x in terms of y. X, that is 2 root y. Next example, the area of the region bounded by the lines y is equal to x plus 1, y is equal to 3x plus 1 and x equal to 4 is dash dash. Now these lines, that is to draw this line, just we first find points when x equal to 0, x equal to 0, we get y is equal to 1. When x equal to 1, put in this x equal to 1, we get 3, y as a 3. Therefore 2 points and या दोन पॉइंट मध्ये आपल्याला लाइन कैलकुलेट करते ड्रॉ करते हैं. Now in this x equal to 0, we get y is equal to 1, x equal to 1, y is equal to 4. This. Now x equal to 4 line आपल्याला ड्रॉ करता है 4 0 मधून पास होणारी लाइन पैरेलल टू y axis. Now this intersection point of this y is x equal to 4 and this line x equal to 4, intersection of x equal to 4, x equal to 4, 4 2 are 8 plus 1 9. Therefore point of intersection with x equal to 4 is, that is 4 4 2 are 8 plus 1 9, 4 9, and this 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13, 4 13. That is, we draw this first, we draw this points are 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Suppose this is 0 1 0 1 0 1 point, then 1 3 x1 y3. Suppose here 2, then here 3, 1 3, then 1 4 1 4, this is 1 4. That is 0 1 0, this is a 1 3, this point as a 1 4, 1 3 1 3 मधून जाणारी लाइन 0 1 1 3, 0 1 and 1 3, this 0 1 1 3. Second is 0 1 1 4, this is line, first line, I write this as a y is equal to 2x plus 1. And next is again 0 1, but it is 1 4 1 4. This is y is equal to 3x plus 1 line, 3x plus 1 line. A point of intersection x equal to 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 9, 4 9 मध्ये first line ला, second line of 4 13. I draw this. This is x equal to 4 line, and this is 4 9, and this is 4 13, 4 13. Therefore required area is this. This is the required area. This is the required area. That is, now we want to find area between the curve. Area between the curve. पहला curve है तो y is equal to 3x plus 1, that is line, and second is y is equal to 2x plus 1 line. अच्छा मतलब area काढायचा है. That is, required area is equal to integration x varies from, that is 0 0 to up to this 0 to 4, y upper minus y lower dx. Y upper side ला कोण 0 4, upper side ला this line 3x plus 1 line, that is 3x plus 1 line, minus lower side ला कोण 2x plus 1 line, 2x plus 1 line dx. That is 0 to 4 3x plus 1 minus 2x minus 1 dx. This cancel, 3x minus 2x, it is x integration x square by 2 limits 0 4 upper limit 16 by 2, it is 8 square units. Lower limit 0 neglected, 8 square units. That is a D option, 8 square units. Check. Next example, the area of the region bounded by ellipse. This is ellipse. Now we know the ellipse. This is ellipse. Therefore, this point has a A0. This point has a 0, 0. Therefore, this is symmetric about both the axes. Both the axes are symmetric. This is equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. That is, this is the required area. This total. But it is 4 times the area in the first quadrant. That is, required area is equal to 0 to a, then y dx. 4 times. It is 4 times. This is symmetrical. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore 4 times. Now y dx. Write this in terms of y. I write y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. That is y square is equal to b square transfer cross a square minus x square by a square. Then y is equal to. Therefore 4, 0 a. Y is equal to b by a. Then square root a square minus x square. Taking just square root. Now integration of this. 4b by a out. 4b upon a out. Inside. Square root a square minus x square. It is standard type. That is x by 2. Square root a square minus x square. Plus a square by 2. Sin inverse x by a limit 0 a that is equal to 4b by a, then upper limit x equal to a square minus a square 0, here x equal to a, then we get a square by 2 sin inverse a by a, 1 sin inverse 1, it is pi by 2, lower limit 0 here neglected, here 0 neglected, this, then a cancel, 2 to the 4 cancel, then pi ab square units, that is pi ab, B option. Next example, the area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to x and the line 2y is equal to x is dash dash. Now this is parabola, this is the line. Now first we find point of intersections of these two. That is, we solve these two equations. Y square is equal to x and 2y is equal to x. Put x equal to 2y in this. Y square is equal to 2y. That is y square minus 2y is equal to 0. Y out, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 2. Put y is equal to 0 in this. We get x equal to 0. Put y is equal to 2 in this. X equal to 4. Therefore, points are 0, 0 and 4, 2. These are the 2 points where the parabola and this line comes together. Now I draw this. This is the y square is equal to x parabola. And line. Of course, this is no constant term. Therefore, line passes through origin. Origin will pass on a line. That is 0, 0. And this is the line. This is the parabola. Y square is equal to x, and this is line 2y is equal to x. A region, area included between these two. Therefore, this point of intersection is 4, 2, and this is 0, 0. Therefore, area is equal to, that is area between two curves. Therefore, area is equal to integrations x value. Start here, that is 0. And here, that is x coordinate 4, 0 to 4. Y upper ला कौन है? Upper ला parabola's equation. Y upper minus y lower dx is equal to 0, 4. Upper, this y is equal to root x minus lower y is equal to x by 2. Now integration. Root x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus x integration x square by 2 and this 2 x square by 4. Limits 0, 4. Only upper limit, lower limit 0, 0, 0 neglected. 4 4 raised to 3 by 2, it is 8. 8, this is reverse, that is 2 by 3. Here 4. 4 square 16, 16 by 4. That is 8 2s are 16 by 3 minus 4. Cross 3 4s are 12, 8 minus 12, 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12, it is 6, 6 by 3. Check again, x equal to 4, 4 raised to 3 by 2, 4 raised to 3 by 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 2, 8 2s are 16, check here, sorry 16, 8 2s are 16 by 3, then cross 3 4s are 12, 16 minus 12 it is 4, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 square units, that is A option, A option. Next example, the area of the region included between line this and circle. Now first we solve these two equations again for point of intersection. Point of intersection, we solve these two equations. That is, from this I write y is equal to 1 minus x. Y is equal to 1 minus x. Put y is equal to 1 minus x in this. X square plus 1 minus x bracket square is equal to 1. Expand x square 1 minus 2x plus x square is equal to 1. This 1 and this 1 cancel. X square 2x square minus 2x 0. That is 2x out, x minus 1. Therefore points are 0 and 1. X equal to 0 and x equal to 1. X equal to 0 in this we get x equal to 0, in this we get y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. X equal to 1 in this we get y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Therefore points are 0 1 and 1 0 are the point of intersections. Therefore I draw this, draw circle. This is standard circle, x square plus y square is equal to 1. That is center at origin, radius 1 circle. This is the circle. And line is x plus y is equal to 1. This point has a 1 0 point. This point has a 0 1. This is standard circle with radius 1. Therefore this. And 0 1 1 0 मधून ही line pass होणार. X plus 1, x plus y is equal to 1. This x plus y is equal to 1. This is the line. X plus y is equal to 1. Now this is the area. This is the area. Again y upper minus y lower. In area is equal to बघा variation कसं आहे, इकडून 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. y upper ला कोण सर्कल आहे, सर्कल x square plus y square is equal to 1. सर्कलचं इक्वेशन x साठी y upper, I write y upper minus y lower, then dx, y upper minus y lower dx. Now I simplify here, just I simplify, check y upper it is circle is equal to 0 1 y upper, this x square transfer 1 minus x square, then square root 1 minus x square, minus y lower, y is this value 1 minus x dx. Now its integration, it is standard one, x by 2 square root 1 minus x square plus a square means 1 by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 minus x, minus plus, it is x square by 2. Upper minus lower, upper limit 0 0 1. 1 टाकणार upper limit 1, it is 1 square 1 minus 1 0, this neglected. Here x equal to 1, sin inverse 1, it is pi by 2. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Here x equal to 1 minus 1. Here 1 plus 1 by 2. Lower limit 0, this 0, sin inverse 0 0, x 0 and this 0. Lower limit neglected. Pi by 4 minus 1 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Therefore pi by 4 minus 1 by 2, that is C option. C option.